Say hello to Shipwreck Park, an artificial reef and underwater cultural arts park just offshore here in South Florida. This just might be the best wreck diving site on the planet, with a whopping 17 wrecks, all within close proximity to one another. But this isn't just any artificial reef. Shipwreck Park has been decked out with artistic sculptures, with more being added all the time. Which brings me to why I'm here in Pompano Beach, a few miles north of Fort Lauderdale. There's a new art installation planned for Shipwreck Park, and How to Do Florida gets to go along for the ride. My home away from home in South Florida is the Sands Harbor Resort and Marina. They offer beautiful balcony views, as well as fine indoor, outdoor, and pool deck dining.
Wow.
Heck, you can even dock your boat and grab a drink.
Oh, thank you.
Most importantly, South Florida Diving Headquarters is located in the hotel's marina, where I'm meeting up with owner Jeff Terode for my underwater art adventure.
Mr. Jeff.
Oh, hey, Chad, how you doing?
How you doing, sir?
Yeah, where you been, man?
Am I late?
Long breakfast. We got to go.
Is this the right boat?
This is the right boat. This is the boat with the artwork.
I'm ready, man. Where's my tank? Over here?
Yeah, you're over here. Just get set up on it, and we'll get underway here shortly.
All right, let's do it.
All right, buddy.
Yep.
We're excited to have Chad on the boat today. We're going to take him out and show him Shipwreck Park in Pompano Beach. We got some artwork that we're going to sink on the wreck today, and we're going to have Chad helping us take the artwork down, securing it to the wreck.
Jeff, where are we?
Right now, we're in Pompano Beach, headed out to the Lady Luck.
What are we ready to do?
We're going to sink some art today.
We're going to sink some art.
These three guys are the masterminds behind Shipwreck Park. Captain Jeff has forged a unique bond with local artist Dennis McDonald and Shipwreck Park CEO Rob Wire to make this diver's dream a reality.
It's like a brotherhood, so to speak, of guys that are just want to have some fun and get some things done for the environment. And working with these guys is awesome. That's the only way I can put it.
We all came together with the goal of making something beautiful happen off the coast of Florida, and Lady Luck and Shipwreck Park were born.
Each individual brings something different to the table and to the project, but the one constant is the enthusiasm and the love for what we do.
Dennis is really the wizard behind the art.
I call him the MacGyver of artwork. He can find a couple of scraps laying on the ground, all of a sudden he's got a piece of artwork that's amazing.
Shipwreck Park is without question the most easily accessible major dive site in the country. Established in 2014, the park combined over a dozen existing shipwrecks, then added underwater sculptures to create one of the most unique dive environments found anywhere in the world.
So this is the art we're going to hang on the Lady Luck.
Yeah, Chad, wait, whoa, please. Wait, just hang on.
What?
Because we got a little bit of a reveal coming.
So we're going to reveal the art when we get out there.
Yeah, it's kind of a tradition.
Yeah, I like it.
I'm not one to mess with tradition, so I guess I'll just have to be patient. Our destination today is the Lady Luck, a 324-foot sludge tanker. It once belonged to New York City. Now, she's just another ex-New Yorker who's made her home in South Florida. Before she was sunk in 2016 as an artificial reef, several of Dennis's art sculptures were welded to her deck, including card sharks and an octopus craps dealer, playing off the Lady Luck theme.